Welcome back. Fear keeps investors cautious. Complacency makes them careless.
Market in a Minute with David Caseley. Catch the bull by the horns. Fast market insights.
Here's your market in a minute for the week ending Friday, July 3rd. This week wasn't about fear or inflation. It was about investors rediscovering their risk appetite. Market shook off last week's hesitation and finished the quarter on a strong note, helped by improving sentiment, easing rate concerns, and a renewed bid for equities. Canada, the TSX gained just under 1% for the week. Financials remain the backbone of the market, while investors also found reasons to revisit cyclical sectors. The TSX continues to show resilience despite softer commodity prices. In the United States, the S&P rose nearly 2%, reaching fresh highs during the week. Markets were encouraged by expectations that inflation is gradually cooling, reducing the pressure on the Fed. More importantly, investors were willing to pay for growth again, with large cap leadership returning and dip buyers showing up quickly. Headline driver, investors shifted from asking, how high will rates stay, to can earnings keep surprising to the upside? In Europe had a very strong week with the Euro Stock 50 up over 2%. Banks, industrials, and cyclicals led the move as investors braced a more constructive growth outlook. Oil remained soft as traders focused on supply and a lack of new geopolitical disruptions. Gold continued to struggle, pressured by stronger equity markets and reduced demand for defensive assets. Looking ahead, the markets entered July with momentum back on its side, but expectations are rising. The challenge now isn't whether investors will buy the dip, is whether earnings and economic data can justify the new highs. Positioning, stay selective. Leadership is broadening, and quality and valuation still matter. Remember, cash is like oxygen. You don't think about it until you don't have enough. That's your market in a minute. So stay bullish, stay curious, and watch for stampedes.